Go.
All right, we are at 132, no, yeah, this is 132 Campbell Avenue. And the reason this building is so special is because Zach works here. And they have a termite infestation. This building one day will come crumble to the ground and termites eat it. That's the handicapped ramp.
Love it.
If you feel the steps are too much for you, there is an elevator located in the lobby. This thing is really tiny and really slow, so I'm going to back you into it so you can press the buttons.
Okay, yeah, that'd be good.
This thing will fit maybe 2 people. There we go. We are. Let me turn you around. Are you okay? I'm not hurting you, am I?
No.
'Cause
There we go, yeah. Yeah.
It's very slow going up.
There's the phone. That's the only thing that they added in this elevator. 1,500 pounds. Look at these buttons here.
Hold GAL.
I've seen one of these actually. It's a very nice cap.
Love the tray light.
Yes.
This elevator actually has an MEI pump on it now.
Interesting.
Here we are. And this is not the most accessible elevator.
Oh, trust me, I've been on elevators that look like they're accessible, but they're not. There goes the elevator.
And that'll be it. Open
And
the
that
door.
will be it for me.
Now we